Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you the removal of Brazilian nuts. Can you believe that we have a client that lasted 5 months with their Brazilian nuts? Well, I'm getting ready to show you what the whole process is looking like. So stay tuned until the end because we're also going to reinstall and I'm going to show you the end results. We are going to proceed with this removal of the Brazilian nuts. You can see she just came here. This is how she's been wearing her hair. This is the Brazilian nuts 5 months growth. Look how long the growth is. This is hair that sheds every day that she has in between, but as soon as we remove that knot, we can take the hair out. We suggest that you don't do this, that you don't take this long with the Brazilian nuts, but her hair is pretty strong. Her hair can take it. And we are going to use some Indonesian hair that we previously colored for her. So we are removing the Brazilian nut, and as you can see, her hair is pretty healthy, but she takes care of her hair. She comes here and gets her hair color, gets her hair done, and she maintains them pretty well, and that's the reason why they look so good. Because so many people wonder, how do you remove them? How do you remove them? Pretty easy. You cut the knot of the thread and you're done. This is easier and faster than removing the K-tips. This is faster than removing a sew-in. This is faster than removing glue-in. And you don't have no glue, you don't have no braids. You don't have no tension because we control the tension that you get on each knot. What benefits are you guys not seeing on this method? I'm not understanding how this is not more famous and how people are not doing this method. So that was 2 knots that merged together, which is not bad at all. We detangled it pretty easy, but that's what happens sometimes if you last with them a long time and don't separate them. The reason also why this side is shorter is because she got like a shape up on the side. Because the hair is growing, then it kind of just merged a little bit together. It's the only one that she had that merged together. And as you can see, we literally detangled it and no problem at all. Look how healthy. And now, as you can see, we had the removal and she barely have any build out, but that's because she washes her hair pretty often and she come here and take care of them. Normally, somebody that lasts that long will have a lot of build up right here, right? And it will make it harder for us to detangle. But she keeps really, really good care of her hair. So we are going to proceed to detangle and I'll record some of that for you. We actually like to open it with our fingers to remove some of that excess hair so it's easier to comb through. 5 months also is normal shedding, is no breakage at all because the only thing that's holding the hair extensions to your hair is a piece of thread. And if it's done correctly, if you go to the professional, you shouldn't have no tension, it shouldn't be tight, it shouldn't be heavy, it should not hurt. So make sure that you find someone that's very professional. I do provide trainings if some of you want to learn this technique. And if you are one of those that want to learn, I have one-on-one class, only 3 a year that I teach. Other than that, it's just a few group classes. And we also have the online course if you are one of those people who learn on their own. I truly will recommend that you start with the online class because we will deduct that price and then come to the in-person class, group or one-on-one. The one-on-one actually has coaching, so it is an investment, but I can coach you in business. We have Salon now, which is now a franchise with 2 locations to open soon. So as you can see, we just detangled the first part and look how thick, how healthy the hair is. And now we're gonna comb that through and I'm gonna show you what hair came out. And this is the only thing that came out. And remember guys, we shed 100 hairs a day. Look at the little bit of hair that shredded out of there, okay? 5 months old Brazilian nuts. If I wasn't recording this, you will say I was lying. We removed her Brazilian nuts and now we're gonna show you how healthy her hair is. Her hair was washed and blow dry, and now we're going to proceed to do another installation. So the only thing holding the extension to the client hair is a piece of thread. And as you can see on the removal part, the only thing that we cut to remove the extension was the knot that I'm actually making. So after 3 months of having the hair installed, we cut the knot and the thread unravel. There you have the Brazilian knots. There you have the most versatile hair extension method, and it's so healthy and it lasts 3 to 4 months. Remember that we teach the class, and if you want to travel to us or if you are local in Maryland, you can come to us and get it done. So here you see we did the reinstallation for her. She got an ombre. Look how beautiful that hair is. This Brazilian knots, she will have it for how long?
3 or 4 months.
3, 4, or 5. I want you to tell me how you feel. You look beautiful. Thank you so much for trusting us. And this is like your to-go hairstyle now. How do they feel? Do they hurt? Do they bother you?
They don't hurt. They're just nice and easy and light for people like me who don't like doing hair. Perfect.
Hey guys, did you see that amazing transformation? Did you know that it was so easy to do the Brazilian knots, to install them, to remove them? And that lady had her Brazilian knots for 5 months. Can you believe how easy it was for us to detangle? How healthy that method is? So if you want to see more, make sure that you leave us a message. Make sure that you follow us all across social media. And don't forget that we teach the class if you want to learn. And we also provide the service if you want to get it done. We are located in Maryland, Salon 809. We're going to leave you the link below if you want to make an appointment, and we're also going to leave you the link below if you want to schedule a class, and we have also online classes. So thank you so much for watching.